In this video, I'm going to show you how you can host a custom domain name on Bootstrap Studio's free web hosting. So let's go to a web browser. So you will need a Cloudflare account for this, and also you need to log into your domain name provider. So if you just open up two tabs on your web browser and log into your domain name provider, and also go to cloudflare.com and sign up with your email and your password and so on. So once you're signed up, it's completely free. You can then add a domain name. So on the main page, there should be an option to add it. So just add it as normal. So don't add the HTTP or anything like that. Just add the name of your domain. Then select continue. Then it will take you to another page. So scroll down towards the bottom and select the free option and select continue. Okay, we scroll down a little bit. There's an option here called Cloudflare name servers. So you need to add these name servers to your domain name. So if you go over to your domain name, so I'm using Namecheap for this one. If you're using a different provider, then the process will be a little different, but it should be near enough the same. So you're looking for the option called name servers. So just look for name servers. And once you find it, you need to add them. So I'm going to select this box here and select custom DNS. Then I can add those name servers from Cloudflare. So I'll go back to Cloudflare. Just select that again. And I can then copy these name servers. So just click to copy, go back to this one, and then you can right click with your mouse or your touchpad and select paste, and then go back again and copy the last one, and then go back and just paste that there. Once that's done, make sure you save it or put a tick in the box. So that's now saved. Unfortunately, it says here it can take up to 48 hours for the effect to take. In most cases, it usually happens within, say, 10 to 30 minutes. So don't worry about waiting 2 days. In most cases, it works within 10 to 30 minutes. So if you want to, go back to Bootstrap Studio in 10 or 30 minutes and so on. So I'm just going to skip ahead, go to Bootstrap Studio. Once you open up the site you want to publish, go to the top right hand corner and select the publish option, and then select publish settings. Then select manage websites, and then down the bottom add your website. And then from here select custom domain, and again add the name of your domain. Don't put the HTTP, just add the domain. Then select the checkbox. So now you need to copy this back into Cloudflare. So you go back to Cloudflare, and on the left hand side we want to select the DNS option, and if we scroll down a little bit, we have this option here, which is DNS management for your website. So select add record, and now we need to copy these details from Bootstrap Studio over to here. So the type is CNAME. So you can see here it says type, select CNAME, then go back. Then the name is the name of your website. So I'm just going to copy this, and I can paste that into this box. And the last bit is this option here. Let's copy that again and go back to Cloudflare, and I can paste that there. Once that's done, select save. So again, this may not work straight away. You may need to wait 10 to 30 minutes for it to be updated and so on. Another thing you may want to do on Cloudflare is go to the SSL option here, click on the drop down and select Edge Certificates. And if you scroll down, you want to make sure that the always use HTTPS option is enabled. If it's not, just make sure it is. Just like that, put the slider across. Okay, so that's everything sorted on the Cloudflare options. So just make sure all the details are correct. You can see the CNAME, name of the website, and the Bootstrap Studio option, and so on. So again, this may not work straight away, so don't panic if it's not going to work. So once that's done, you select verify domain name. So you can now see it says DNS record is not yet set. So just wait 10 to 30 minutes and try it again, and hopefully it should work. Okay, I've now waited around 30 minutes or so, and hopefully everything has been updated. So if I click on the verify domain, hopefully it should work. And you can now see it's worked and it's now listed there, so I can now close that. So on this page, on the publish settings page, if you select the website, select that website, then select save, and then when you go to publish a website, that will now be uploaded to the Bootstrap Studio servers. And if I click on that, you can now see that website is active. So hopefully that helps you. Thanks for watching.